This is the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Peachtree City, Georgia, beginning on the date May 26, 2016, and I'll be covering specifically the Memorial Day weekend. For Thursday afternoon, May 26, 2016, we have a weak disturbance moving across the Tennessee Valley that might help us get a few isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms developing during the afternoon and evening hours. No severe thunderstorms are expected. On Friday, May 27th, we have weak high pressure over the region with low pressure off the southeast Florida coast and a low pressure deepening over the plains. Weak disturbances in the system to the west will approach the area during the afternoon and may give us about a 20 or 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours on Friday, but mainly over north and west central Georgia. Still, no severe storms are expected. On Saturday, May 28th, models are showing a disturbance approaching from the west, which may enhance our chances for showers and thunderstorms. But the low pressure off the Georgia coast, we're on the back side of that, so we're expecting some subsidence influence to maybe hinder showers and thunderstorms across the area on Saturday. So it's looking like it might be a good day. We're only going to show about a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms, and mainly still across north and west central Georgia as weak disturbances try to approach the area from the west. Still, no severe storms are expected. As we get into Sunday and Monday, our rain chances start increasing a bit as low pressure that was off the Florida coast now moves up into the Carolinas. It looks like models are agreeing that it'll move into South Carolina somewhere around Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, and then probably drift up into North Carolina on Monday. We're still on the back side of this, but we do think it'll spread some moisture into the area and increase our rain chances mainly over the eastern half of the state on Sunday and Monday. Still, no severe thunderstorms are expected. This slide shows some good agreement between our long-range models, one of them the ECMWF and one of them the GFS. Both of them take that surface low that was off the Georgia and South Carolina coast and try to move it inland sometime late Sunday afternoon. It does look like it might drift up into the Carolinas and maybe into Virginia on Monday and Tuesday. So increasing rain chances for them. We're still on the back side of this system, so still a lot of uncertainty on the impacts for Georgia, but we do encourage everyone over the Memorial Day weekend to keep their eye on this low pressure system and the track that it takes. As of Thursday, May 26, 2016, here's the forecast or the outlook from the National Hurricane Center concerning that low pressure system off the Florida coast. It does look like they're giving it about a 50% chance of developing over the next 48 hours and a 70% chance over the next 5 days. So all interests along the southeast coast from Georgia through North Carolina should closely monitor this low pressure system for possible development and potential impacts over the late Memorial Day weekend. The expected rainfall totals from Thursday, May 26, through Tuesday, this would cover the Memorial Day weekend. It looks like the greater rain chances are going to be to the west and to the east. As the low pressure system kicks east of the plains and lifts northeastward, it looks like the better rain chances will remain to the west of the state and the higher rainfall totals across the plains and moving into the Mississippi Valley. And then the greater rainfall totals, of course, associated with that low pressure system that eases up into the Carolinas by Sunday, Monday time frame. We're hoping we could get a little bit of rain out of this, but it does look like the better chances will be over the eastern part of the state and maybe a quarter inch to a half an inch going into Sunday, Monday time frame. Now here's the Georgia Drought Monitor showing a moderate drought across North Georgia, so we do need some rain. Atlanta's about 4.5 inches below normal since March 1st, and Athens is about 3 inches below normal since March 1st. And the bottom right of the screen shows the departures from normal for the year since January 1st, and it does look like everybody's starting to experience a little bit of a deficit, so we could use some rain across the state. We just don't expect a whole lot over the Memorial Day weekend, so you should be able to enjoy the weekend and the outdoors. Temperatures on Friday and Saturday look like they're going to hold into the mid, maybe upper 80s, with low temperatures generally in the 60s. So with only about a 20 to 30% chance of rain and mainly afternoon showers and thunderstorms, and those warm temperatures should be favorable for everyone to get out and enjoy the holiday weekend. The warm temperatures continue on Sunday and Monday of the Memorial Day weekend. It looks like the highs will be mainly in the mid to upper 80s, maybe some spotty lower 90s by Monday as that low pressure system in the Carolinas moves further to the northeast. And lows will continue to be mainly in the 60s. So still looks like a good overall weekend for everyone, so enjoy. Now looking beyond the holiday weekend, it looks like Tuesday through Thursday of next week is going to be basically a summertime pattern where we get those diurnally driven, isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms each afternoon and evening. No severe storms are expected as it's a weekly sheared environment. Highs will generally be in the 80s and lows in the 60s. So in summary, the outlook for the long holiday weekend, and basically I concentrated on Friday through Monday. We're going to see a return of isolated to widely scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. No organized severe weather is expected, and SPC has general thunder over the parts of the state through the weekend. Nothing severe is expected. We do have that potential tropical disturbance or tropical storm, which would possibly increase our rain chances, mainly over the eastern part of the state by Sunday. Drought conditions continue over the state, especially North Georgia, and we do need some rain. Expect above normal temperatures across the area over the weekend, and the summertime pattern will continue through the mid to late part of next week as well.